Tak to je jasný. Hele.
Here we go. Here we go. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah. Mormyshka is amazing stuff because always helps you to find the fish. Slowly. Wow, this is a big fish. Cheers guys, welcome to my fishing channel. My name is Oleg, I'm a fishing guide and expert living now in Prague, Czech Republic, and today we're going to discover one very interesting water with predatory fish, mainly pike, situated not so far from the Prague city center. And the plan is following. I will try first artificial lures, then probably I will be able to catch with mormyshka some live bait, and finally we'll finish with a live bait fishing, chasing for pike. Let's get it. So it's always good to have a high quality ice auger when you discover new waters. And I know from my friends that there's a quite nice population of pikes here in this lake. However, the water is quite shallow, approximately 4 feet, maybe a little bit more, in the deepest part. So I will try to make some holes, starting from this river bed and to the middle of the lake, and try first my artificial lure, which I will show you in a while. It's very important to find good places, good spot for pike fishing, because pike loves trees under the water. Oh, look at that! Actually, look at that! It looks like the water is very shallow here. Yeah. So live bait will be probably better. However, I will try definitely my lures, because you know, if you work with lures, they need some space under the water. A live bait, you can go away from your rod, so predatory fish has a total quiet. So from some points of view, a live bait is better in shallow water. But I will try still my lures and we'll see. There we go. This is a live bait for our future pike. Yeah, little but just size. Okay, nice.
Tak to je jasný. Hele, ale tak, to říkal.
It's rolling guys. It looks like we have a nice fish here. Okay, come on. Yeah, here's a fish. Nice fish. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Slowly. Yeah. Hop. Yeah. At the edge of the mouth. Nice. Whoa. A live bait is live bait. Yeah. Such a beautiful pike. Wow, look at that. And the hook just in the edge, the mouth. I love this type of fishing because you don't damage the fish. Okay, let's go back and go up to 1 meter. Okay. Oh, not here, not here. Yeah, we go. Nice. So finally I got a nice pike on tip up. I didn't measure it. It was approximately maybe 2.5 feet, but in any way over 2 feet. Nice pike, very stubborn life, and in this shallow water it was a good fight. And now I'll try to catch more live baits. I have only one tip up, but it doesn't matter, guys. If they bite, they bite. Oh, there we go. Nice little roach. Just good for live bait on this little mormyshka. Gorgeous, easy fishing. Mormyshka is amazing stuff because always helps you to find the fish in the water. The very thin line and tiny lure, which can be compared with Euro nymph in fly fishing. It's best combination to find roach, perch, bream, even carp or little pike. Any fish in the water. Of course the problem can be this very thin line because you can hardly manage fighting with bigger fish. However, if you'd like to have more bites, and if it doesn't matter for you the fish size, I would recommend you definitely to try this kind of fishing, this fishing method with mormyshka. By the way, I have video about mormyshka also on my channel, so feel free to check it out. Alright, and now I will show you how to keep all these little fish alive without any can. Okay, let's make the hole. Let's imagine the ice is thick, like something like 10 inches, and I'll drill the hole of 6 or 7 inches. Alright, clean it up. Make sure there's enough water here so fish will not get frozen immediately. Okay, yeah, just like that. Yeah, and now you can keep your live bait here. I think we should change our fishing spot and try to find the pike somewhere else. And now I would like to recommend you some stuff which I personally always have on my ice fishing. This mattress is always good when you fish from your knees. One, if you'd like to sit on this trunk, it's always good stuff. Then, where is my skimmer? Hey, yeah, this skimmer, very useful. Can be like that, metal, can be plastic, but I prefer metal one. Anyway, it's very good stuff to get ice away from the hole. And of course, the towel, dry towel. You should have in your trunk. Regarding these tip-ups, I would recommend you probably something like that instead of rod and reel, especially for the beginners. And it's very exciting to see this flag, you know, like, oh. I love that. I don't know how about you, but I really love that signal. And this Berkeley stuff is very good quality. I have this tip up maybe for 10 years, maybe even more. And of course I would recommend you, if it's possible, to bring at least 5 tip ups like that and prepare bait fish in advance, because sometimes you can catch the fish of proper size, another day you cannot catch them. I rely on my mormyshka, that's why I could do it. Anyway, you can have a metal leader or fluorocarbon leader, quite long, should be quite long, because you know pikes have long mouths, and bigger ones can easily have like 20 centimeters or even 30 centimeters inside the mouth. But usually if your reaction is quite quick and you fish with a single hook, just that they can have the hook in the very edge, so it's easy to release if you prefer to release the pike. Alright, let's try a few more holes, and if nothing, we'll go back home and prepare for another fishing trip. So it looks like I had finally the last bite. I don't know if there is a fish here. Yeah, here we go. Alright, yeah, in the darkness. Oh, look at that, wow. A last hope. Oh, a big fish. Nice, a big fish. It is a big, nice. Oh, it is a big one. It is a really big pike. Okay, come on. Oh man, this is huge. Whoa. The last tip up before the darkness. I hope. Oh, it's a monster. Come on. Okay, slowly. Oh no. Slowly. Wow, this is a big fish. No, please don't jump. All right. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, the last fish. This is the last fish before sunset. Wow. Beautiful pike. Now in the darkness. Whew. I just gotta measure it. And here's the fish. Just 75 centimeters. Wow. What a beauty. Thank you very much that you decided to stick with me until the very end of this video. And as you can see, sometimes fish bite almost at dusk, after the sunset, even in the cold time of the year, and especially pike. They really love sunsets. So always try to stay until the very end, and probably you will be rewarded same as me. So guys, if you'd like to try ice fishing here near Prague, just drop me a line and probably we can manage something together. My name is Oleg, I'm a fishing guide and expert, just for the last 30 years living here in Prague, Czech Republic. And I wish you good luck, tight lines, and of course, be blessed. See you.